All right, I got one more order delivered yesterday. I think it was eight cases in total. So the first is these Magnus, our presidents. It's what, four different cakes, two of each. Our President Lincoln, our President Roosevelt, our President Washington, and our President Jefferson. So the Lincoln, the peony, red, blue, silver, loud, Pyro Index 5. We'll try it out tonight. The Jefferson is a willow effect, silver, loud, angle display straight up, looks like. Pyro Index is 5. There we go. The Washington is a peony. Sea blue, lemon, purple, loud, straight up. And the Roosevelt is a palm tree, red, silver, purple, green. Yeah, I'll say loud, so we'll find out tonight. Got a case of Excalibur shells. They're not as good as they used to be. They're still pretty good though. Anyways, on the back here's jumbo red Dialia. Green glittering with crackle, red silver. It'll give you all the different effects down this. Then a couple cases from World Class, Guerrilla Warfare, Fighting Rooster. These are both very good. I think probably in the top 5 my all-time cakes for 500 gram anyway. Very fast. Got 4 Noabs, Nishiki, Komuro Super Final, loud, nice strobe. Got 2 of these One Bad Piggy. I haven't done those before, but I hear that they're good. And then I got another case of these strobing willows from Raccoon. And this is Sky Bacon here. So that's it for this one. I'm gonna add these in some different places. Then this is the stock I have left to assemble. And as I've been showing, all the boards are going together. So tonight, I believe, or this weekend, is the first legal weekend to shoot fireworks off here in Mississippi. So tonight is going to be a shooting night for sure. So I'll be doing some tests, uploading some of those videos, and more to come. Later.